What's up, you guys? Obviously, I am back with my girls, and we're super excited to tackle, I feel like it's the stepchild of like fashion. It is skirts. Skirts. Everybody said that the time I said it. Literally, there is a skirt for every occasion, and there are so many varieties of skirts, and clearly right here, we've got a variety of body types. So we're gonna show you what skirt fits perfectly for your body. We're gonna show you how to wear it well.
I've probably worn a skirt once in my life.
Why?
She was freaking out when I said we're gonna do skirts. She's like, no.
Why?
I was like, I'm gonna look like a kangaroo in that. Like,
what? A kangaroo?
You know, I'm telling you, my problem area, I feel like it brings all the attention to, but we'll see.
No, I feel like it helps an hourglass shape. If you have a pencil skirt, it like pinches the waist, high waist,
Okay,
blouse.
how does it help me though?
Okay, we're gonna find the one that's gonna fit you perfectly, and you're gonna walk out here and be like, look at me, wearing it well, and it's gonna be amazing. So that's what the show is about, people. We're finding skirts that make all of us feel comfortable in our skin. We feel body confident, and we're about to do this.
Yep. Yeah.
Get ready to see us in skirts.
Skirt.
Starting with the one that said she loved skirts the most. I totally get it now. You gotta see her in them. Come on out with your mini skirt. I see you, girl. Tasha. Okay, I get why you love skirts so much.
Easy breezy.
I feel like they fit your body really, really well.
I love skirts because I love my legs.
Okay.
So it's a great way
That
for me to
makes
show my
sense.
legs, which is why I love a mini skirt. So
Yeah, so she went with the suede mini skirt, but it's not just any kind of mini skirt. It's actually A-line.
Yep.
So it is high waist and an A-line shape, which actually accentuates, again, her hourglass figure.
It cinches me in right here, but because it's A-line, it gives rooms for me to, you know, curve those roads.
I think a lot of people think that if you have hips, wearing an A-line skirt is actually going to accentuate your hips. Most of us then feel terrible when we try on those little mini skirts that are super boxy, that don't go A-line, they're just like straight.
Yep.
And then we can't get them over our hips and we're like, this doesn't fit, and that's just such an awkward moment. Go with the A-line skirt, it'll wrap around your waist perfectly and still give you room to wiggle those hips.
Also, this is textured. So textured adds like a heavier fabric, so it doesn't make you feel like, you know.
It doesn't show any imperfections.
Exactly.
It covers any imperfections. So I'm loving this suede look on you. The turtleneck is amazing. Turn around. Give us a twirl. Okay, girl,
I'm
yes.
a professional now.
No, I love this. Would you wear this to work? Where would you wear this to?
I would wear this to work. I'll wear this to drinks. I'll wear this
To church?
hanging out with my
church
dad.
appropriate?
I'll wear this wherever.
Yeah, so
And
I
I can
think
do my signature pose.
this is so you. When she says she loves her legs, did you run track?
I ran track. I did gymnastics.
Look at
I
these
danced.
thighs. You can see the definition and the cuts in your thighs. So again, finding the things that you really love about yourself and figuring out how to accentuate that is everything.
This skirt, H&M, $24.99.
Boom! That's a mic drop right there. Moving right along. Who's up next? Okay, so from the one that absolutely loves skirts and skirts are her go-to, to the one that hates skirts and swore that none of them would look good on her. Lana, are you ready to say you were wrong?
No.
Are you ready to walk out here?
Yes.
Well, go for it. No, tell us how you feel, because you're walking pretty confident.
This is my favorite look.
Of all the looks that we've ever done for Wear It Well, this is
the
her
one.
favorite look, and literally she said, I hate skirts. So that's why, can we just say right now, never say never when it comes to fashion. You should absolutely try different looks because you never know. And I think that there's nothing that's off limits. There is a type of skirt, a type of jean, a type of dress, a type of turtleneck for every body type. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel like this is really my personality.
I feel it's actually very sexy.
Really? You like it?
No, I love it. Lana looks like a grown-up. She looks like the incredible businesswoman that she is. This needs to be your look from now on. You in a pencil skirt?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There you go.
I feel like I kind of had this perception about skirts where it's like focuses here, but even though you could kind of see it, it's like so comfortable and it hides it at the same time, you know?
I think something that's awesome is this thick band. The fact that there's a thick band on the waistline. Again, it is high-waisted, which again makes her feel like she's cinched in. Love that. And do you like where it falls?
I do. I think it's like the perfect length, a little above the knee.
Perfect length. Where would you wear this to?
Everywhere now.
Where? Where you going?
Business meetings.
Yes. For anyone that's felt like they were in a rut for a second there, Lana definitely felt like she was finding herself in athleisure a lot because if we're being honest, she was running around and doing so much. But now that she's on our management team, it was time to elevate her look. Would you say this is going to be your everyday go-to?
For sure.
I'm sorry, what was that?
For sure.
You say it louder?
Yes, you were right.
For the
you
people
were right.
in the back. I love it. You look absolutely
Thank
amazing.
you. Thank
Guys,
you.
comment below if there's ever been an item that you swore you would never wear and then you found one that fits just right. So tell us where we can find a skirt like this.
You can find this fabulous skirt at Bloomingdale's from Evernew.
Boom. Give us
And
a
I
little twirl.
feel brand new.
Oh. She's ever new, people. She is ever
Brand
new.
new. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Good talking to you. You look good, girl. You look good. Okay, she was trying to convince everybody that skirts do not have to be dressy, and she's about to prove it to all of you. Rocky, show us all the skirt vibes that you're coming in with. She is a whole vibe. You are giving me hipster fashion looks. And I am into it.
I'm an artiste, guys.
Hashtag OOTD. This is it right here.
Precisely. Look of the day.
We went funky with it, with
Exactly.
the booties that are studded out, the
Yeah.
leather coat over the shoulders, which by the way is one of my favorite
Yes.
looks ever. We've got like an
Totally.
indie braid on the side. It is a vibe, but you're so
Totally.
right. Take off the leather jacket and put on a different like dressy shoe and it
Yeah.
becomes very Parisian.
Yes, so that's the beauty of the skirt. I was saying it's so versatile. Like it's like a metamorphosis, like depending on how you
Interpret
like,
it,
yeah.
how you decide to make it look.
what kind of accessories you put with it.
Where is it from?
Zara, again.
It's Zara?
Comes through. Zara always comes through.
Okay, so this skirt is from Zara.
And they
Why
have
do you feel
different
like
colors.
Why do you feel like it works really well for your body?
Okay, because I kind of don't have a lot of shape to my body. It's pretty like simple, straight body. So I like something that gives me a lot of volume, something to play with. Like when you're walking around and you feel the volume of this, it's like you kind of feel like, yeah. it's
Like I got something to
feel
work
like I have
with.
something. It's not just like skin and bones, you know?
Yeah.
Like
I
So.
love that. And I also love hearing you say that because there's so many girls that are like, I got
Totally.
too much meat on these bones.
Yeah.
And then we hear you say you want something
Yes.
to work with. So
like I said, I love your
that.
body.
And
you
I
know?
love
like
yours.
No, but seriously, like we want to have curves and have something
Yeah.
to like play with too. So this is like a nice like
It's
volume.
the perfect balance. And we get a little twirl.
Okay, of course. This is very twirlable.
Yes, it is. It looks so good.
Yeah.
This right now is giving you such a beautiful silhouette. It's tiny here, and then again, it flares out beautifully. I love it. Girl, you are wearing that very, very, very well.
Yeah.
And now for Grace, who has figured out what looks great on all of us. She's about to show us what looks great on her. Let's see you, girl. Oh, give me collarbone. Give me a trot on in here. She just trotted on in.
You're like my hype man.
I am your hype man because hello,
I know, I don't always give that much leg, but
but this calls
Yeah.
for a great leg
yeah.
moment.
Oh my God, I love leather skirts. And this is Topshop, which
Really?
is great, yeah. And I think it's like not even 60 bucks. It might be like
That's
60,
a
70
great
bucks.
price
Yeah.
point. Is it vegan leather?
It is vegan
It's
leather.
vegan leather,
Yeah.
so I love that. I actually
Yeah.
think all of the leather pieces that we've worn in this episode are
They have
all
it.
vegan.
Yep.
This is a
One.
PSA, people. You know how I feel about this. It is vegan leather. Thank you very much.
Honestly, you could wear it to wear a night out,
Yeah.
to hang out with girlfriends, on a date night.
This is still appropriate for the office.
Yeah, I think so. The slit might be a little,
You think?
I don't know.
Comment
I
below.
guess
I've
depends how
never
you-
worked in an office, but I'm gonna say this is okay.
I'll tell you where it probably is, like a
Where?
fashion, like
Yeah, if
I
you
used to
work
do
at
fashion PR.
Vogue.
or a PR office. Like they're
Yeah.
very, very chic, very fun, very fashion, you know.
If you work in an office, that's fly.
Yeah.
You can wear this, okay? Why do you think this complements your body type?
I love that it's high-waisted.
Yeah.
I don't, like I said in a different episode, I don't love high-waisted jeans.
Yeah.
But I think a skirt's a little different. I think it
Cinches the waist.
It cinches the waist, especially when it's black.
The darting on this is so amazing as
Yeah, it's
well.
good.
I feel like, again, that also brings in the waist and it
Yeah.
gives the illusion of a tiny waist. And
Yeah.
again, this gives you a great shape. Turn around. Look at the illusion it gives. It literally is like, whoop. Ooh, I love the effect of a high waist pencil skirt, but what makes this one different than Lana's, it's actually longer and she's bringing out the thigh.
Very sleek.
Is it my turn?
It's your turn.
All right, you guys, are you ready to see my skirt? Hold, please.
Adrienne, are you ready?
Yes!
Skirt on in.
Skirt,
I'll be here all day. That was
good. Literally Parisian Fashion Week, straight off the Chanel runway, but this did not cost the Chanel price. Okay, let's talk about the skirt. Right?
So cute.
The pleats, I just love it.
We're pleat
it's so
sisters.
like Gossip Girl right now.
Oh my
Definitely
God, I am
Gossip
Blair. There was someone
Yes,
named Blair,
you're
right?
Blair.
Yeah.
You're Blair right now, please.
I feel like what I love most about this is, again, it comes with a belt, and I always like to accentuate my waist because I think it's definitely like my favorite part of my body. For any girl that's like petite and curvy, you want to show the parts of your body that are smaller.
Right.
So you're like, I promise you guys, I have a good shape under all. Like, if I feel like if I wear super loose things that have no shape to them, I actually make myself look so much bigger.
Exactly.
So I have to wear things that are very form-fitting and, again, accentuate my waist.
We're
Especially
small
when you wear-
somewhere.
Yeah, like I'm like, yes, please.
jacket.
Yeah, in my
Like-
ankle or something.
Oversized sweaters you love, oversized jackets you love.
Yes, I do.
But everything else she keeps very
Everything else I keep
form-fitting,
super
yeah.
tiny, especially my waist. So this belt right here,
I love that skirt.
You look
let's
great.
keep it super tight. And
Guys,
then,
that skirt Zara.
Oh my
Really?
gosh.
Wow.
what is the, I feel like the jacket, like,
You just have
this
great.
gives
great
me,
stuff.
I feel like this is giving me Chanel vibes. Hey,
sure.
shout out to Chuchi. I also want to say that if there's any women out there that feel weird about their thighs, I've actually heard that when you do a peplum like this at the bottom of a skirt, it gives the illusion that your thighs are smaller.
Oh, interesting.
I actually love my thighs, but I'm always down for like a slimming effect. I'm here for it. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Hello,
You
hello.
feel like a million bucks.
Feeling it.
Guys, I feel so good in my outfit. How do you guys feel?
I'm
feel great.
obsessed with this outfit. Like I can't
Yes?
get it enough. I love it so much.
It's so funky.
I love like everything. Like the
Lana's
like,
going through
Lana,
things.
Lana is like literally like, this is me
Reborn.
as a
I
person.
found myself on this
Reborn.
show.
You found
That
yourself.
is the biggest thing in life.
Yeah, it's
25 years
true.
later, I know who I am as a person.
Yeah, you
All
are.
I needed was a turtleneck and a skirt. That's all I needed. Skirts are the thing. Can you hook me up with like a variety of
She needs an entire new wardrobe filled with
just
skirts.
no
We're
more
actually
athleisure.
gonna-
Yeah.
Then they're gonna
take her
switch
shopping.
it up and no more skirts at some point.
Why?
Because once I become obsessed with something, it's like OD.
Oh, really? So I feel like we're all feeling really great in our skirts. I hope we inspired some of you to get obsessed with skirts as well. There are so many different styles. Let us know which one suits you the best for your figure, for your confidence. I'm feeling good, feeling great. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah.